Yo. What up? What up? What up? Doing early morning. Early. Yo, what up? Good morning, Ali. Yo, what up, Corey? McLean. Yo, just getting it going. Getting it going. That's all I'm doing. Pretty good, man. Just freaking I just gotta set the chat up, and then I am Yo, what up, Dell? Yeah, very early. That's because I am not streaming the whole day, BK. I'm gonna stream till maybe, I don't know, 11:30, and then I'm gonna go in the pool and I'll come back for like 2:15, 2:30 for the end of the day. 2:15, 2:30 for the end of the I'm gonna go hang out with the kids, chill out, and do everything else. You know? Set all this stuff up. Yo, wait. Oh, the 8:30 news? I don't know if it's gonna I don't know if it's going to Yo, from home, Maria. I don't know if it's going to move the market. I know there's a bunch of news that's coming out uh, right now, by the way. I don't know how much it's going to move it. I'm just being honest. Dude, you know what's so weird? I just got rebuild on a bunch of Apex accounts, but they're not in here. What up, Ron? Dude, I just got rebuild on a bunch of $16 Apex accounts, but they're not in here. How is that possible? They let you out. Let you out of jail. Why are my Apex accounts not? Oh shit! Well, there it is. That's just an algo, dude. That's 823. Dude, that was 823. That I don't even know what candle that why that was. I just logged out. I'm logging back in. No, still didn't. Oh, now I got to hit support. Nothing like hitting up support. Trump is talking, dude. What did he just say? He sneezed. Dude, you got fucking lucky if you were in short. What is he? Is he talking about his meeting with Putin? Putin's a nice guy. We're gonna hang out together, have some drinks. Is that what he's talking about? We got to log into, now I got to log into Apex and see where the fuck all these accounts are. It's crazy. I don't know where. Oh, where the fuck are these accounts at? Oh, you know what they were? Dude. Oh, I just made a big fucking mistake. All those accounts are Wealth Charts accounts. All those accounts are Wealth Charts. Putin. Yo. He was talking about Putin and chips. Putin gave me a reach around. Bro, I just realized those $16 rebills were all Wealth Charts. That sucks. That's what happens when you're away and you're not paying attention to your rebills. They got me. They got me. Dude, have you ever had Russian vodka? Russian vodka is actually really good. Could be severe consequences. Bro, they're going to meet up and you see Trump dapping him up. Trump's going to give him the dap. There's going to be no consequences. The former, yo, what up, man? What, dude, I can't see your name though. The former something. It says the former GA, but welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. We're not really down that much. This looks like we're just going to come down a little bit. You guys use MAs? Dude. What are you using, crosses though? Crisscross make you jump? Is that what you're playing, the crosses? The 5 crosses the 21 or something? Yo, what up, Brandy? So I think Trump and Putin Trump's talking right now, but I think Trump and Putin talk at 3:30, somebody said. Can I explain my chart? What's on the chart? You have fair value gaps, breaker blocks, order blocks. Where yellow is means it's swept a previous high or low. That's what's pretty much just on this chart. These are order blocks. Once it turns that way, it's a breaker. That's pretty much it. I keep it. I keep it 100. I keep it simple on my charts. I don't go crazy. It's I just keep it what it is. You don't need a lot. You know what I need on this chart? They got rid of though. I don't know why it's not here. I'm going to add it right now. Oh, you know why it's not here? Because I had a refresh. There, I just added some pivot points. I'm going to add Spaceman BTC, and this one actually has a ton of levels that I like. I don't want the range. I don't care about that. All I care about is highs and lows. Now, my range is 1 hour off because it's messed up. I don't know why. None of my other indicators are, except when I have to do this. Let me adjust Tokyo drift time. So there we go. So now I have my levels for the sessions, right? Like, I'm not going to lie, you would have gotten fucking wrecked on that news because it went down and then back up. I do trade crypto. I just hammered a Sol leverage long from the weekend. I think I got in on Sunday and I sold on Wednesday. I was 7x leverage on Sol. I took it from, I don't know. I posted in our Discord. I think I took it from 181 to 191, 10.7x leverage. Keltner. But yeah, I like trading crypto on the larger coins personally. Do you have any trouble cashing your crypto? No, I trade on Mexi. And then I transfer the money from Mexi back to either my MetaMask wallet or I transfer it back to Coinbase and then I just withdraw it. So I only leave inside Mexi. I only leave about $8,000 to $10,000. Like I don't trust having my money in some foreign exchange. So I leave like 8 to 10 at max. Because you got to remember, I'm trading leverage. So it's argument's sake. Say I go into a crypto with $5,000 and it's 7x leverage, right? That's like me buying $35,000 of it. Crypto goes up 10%. That's $3,500. And crypto goes up 10%. Like it moves around. So like that's only with $5,000. So you could definitely make a lot without having a lot in crypto. But no, he's unprofitable with it, but wants to feel the pain every day. So he just keeps using it. But yeah, I don't hodl anything. Like I'm not like loading up on like, Dell. I'm not like holding coins forever. Like, I'm buying Sui for the moon. Like, no, I play the charts just like I play charts and futures. Same concepts. I wait until we drop, take out a prior low or something, invert a fair value gap. I take it. I set my parameters, and that's it. There's nothing crazy. I'm looking for the same thing. I like trading it on the daily though. I like trading crypto on the daily rather than the daily or the 4 hour or where I trade crypto on. I don't make a lot of trades, Maria. Like I'm not making a ton of trades on crypto. I typically look at crypto. I'll look at it Saturday, Sunday, just do a quick overview of like 10 coins that I like that I like to trade. Like I'm not looking at like a lot. Like it's 10 coins and then I don't know, 10 coins. And then I'll just look at the daily, the 4 hour chart, daily 4 hours. So I look at 20 quick charts and that's it. Like I'm not spending a whole lot of time. My strategy, my strategy is what I just said. Like you take out, for argument's sake, like you take out a low, take out a prior low, something like this, invert a fair value gap to the upside, and then I take it long. I tend to buy low, sell high. I mean that's the way. I mean, I like to keep it simple. Like I'm not going to get into like midnight open and this and all these crazy ICT strategies. Like, do I think some of it's good? Yeah, I do. But like, I think this is what they actually call like turtle soup. I think what it is, it's like manipulation to the downside. Take the low out from this consolidation. You take the low out, and then they pump it right after. Something like that. I don't really know the concepts, but I do know that if we were consolidating and then we took out the lows and then we ripped back up and inverted, like I'm in for that. I'm in for a good time. Not a super long time, but I'm definitely in for a good time on the way up. By the way, guys, this expires on Sunday. Just an FYI. Take Profit Trader expires this Sunday. Dude, my back. My back. Spinal. This is a good time to ask questions, though. This is a great time to ask questions. We might. This is sloppy. See how we're just like in the middle of this range right here? Like that's what you don't want to be doing. You don't want to be just trading in this middle of this range. It's just, if you just eyeball it, this is the high, the lows, like we're right here. You can easily just reject and roll over, or they can consolidate and push up. You're kind of at a coin flip. As much as I love a good time, I'm probably not going to take the coin flip. I do think they're going to touch right here, though. This is data low, 885. That would be an interesting spot to look for them to come down and touch. You got 15 points to the downside. Let's see what they do. Yo, what up, Sean? How long do I hold crypto trades? Until my take profit or stop loss gets hit, Maria. I don't scalp it. So last trade, I think I bought on Sunday and I sold on Wednesday. It's typically longer than a day. It's typically longer than a day. And then once I'm up like 5 to like 8%, I move to break even. So like I was just in SUI long and I got stopped out break even. So I use the same concepts that you see me trade on the 1 minute chart, but I'm looking at it on the 4 hour or the hourly. So like argument's sake, I'll just show you. I'll show you real quick. Only because I just did this. I'll show you real quick. So Sol. Oh, hold on. It's just loading up. See these 3 dots? It's just loading up all the stuff still, but you'll see it. So real quick, what made this one great actually was You can see we swept these lows right here. Even by a wick, we just wicked it down, came back. Oh, geez. Why is it not loading on here? What up, patient? Or why is it not loading on here? Did they get rid of it? Oh, I'm just looking. Your entry was this candle, by the way. I think it was this candle. Dude, this thing's just fucking spinning. This is why I don't like not being at home. If I was home, I'm on my massive beast of a computer that I can do all this shit at the same time. All right. I'm trying to do the replay. What up, Siddharth? Yo, there you go, Ray. Dude, this fucking computer, I kind of want to just return it. I thought this computer was going to be fucking good. It sucks. Awesome. Really? Really? Really, really, really? This is what we're doing? All right, well. Anyways, this was the entry candle, I believe, because you actually closed here, and then I was late to the party, and I took it up. There's a fair value gap that was inverted over here, and that's what it was. I don't know why it's not fucking working. I don't know why it wasn't working. It's just stupid. Oh, you know what I don't have on here? That's why it's not working. Oh, that's why it's not working. I don't have this one on. Cool. I just hit the wrong fucking thing. Oh my God. Here we go. So you can see right here, there's a fair value gap made to the downside, inverts it to the upside right here at 72. But my dumb ass didn't see that because I wasn't looking at the chart. So I bought right here because I was actually targeting this wick. And I was like, you know what? I'm late to the party. I'm just going to fucking do it anyways. And I bought late and I still made money. But don't be like me. Don't buy late. But I bought late. The real entry was this candle. And I wasn't watching it that day. So I watched it this day and I was like, you know what? I'm still going to take it because there's two targets. There's the target of this wick at 95 and then obviously HOD. And because I got in late, I set my sell at I set my sell early. Yeah, no, all good. That was the deal. Yo, I drew this line a while ago. This is the pattern that I think we're going to take. Not necessarily in this time frame, but I've had this drawn for a while. What's crazy is we're actually kind of following it. I think we're going to go up and then we're going to get slammed down personally. Locked. Let me out. All right, let's get back to fucking business. So yesterday, I don't know if it was my connection or it was this fucking computer, but I did not have a good experience copy trading yesterday. There was a lot of errors, a lot of problems. So I'm probably, depending on how we do leading up, I may or may not take a morning trade. Just an FYI. Bro, Hims is back down to $45. Ooh, why is Hims down? Why is Hims down so much? Yo, good morning, Monet. Morning, Neo. What's up? Got my chat on my phone, so I don't have to look at it on my screen. I'm thinking what I want to do here is really what I'm looking at. I gotta close my application. Oh, I don't want to ruin my Friday. By the way, I could have ruined my fucking day yesterday. My copy trader did not sell me out of my shit. I did not have fun. Yo, what up, Josh? What up, man? I would think at some point we're going to touch these data lows. Just an FYI. 885, and then we just kind of bounce back. Just a thought that we're going to hit it. I love the fact that I can't find my fucking quant tower fucking start button. I don't have reactor. I don't have, I'm away today. This is the last day I'm away. I was away yesterday and today. I don't have access to my Replicanto. To transfer the license from my computer to this computer would have been a pain in the ass. And then I would have just had to transfer it back on Sunday when I got home. And I didn't want to do that. So what I did was I ran it through TradeSyncer, and TradeSyncer did not sync my trades. It was not a TradeSyncer. I was in so many I was in a lot. I copy traded 15 accounts or something like that. And I had to manually exit 10 of them or 9 of them. So I'm just going into all my trade evates, just exiting. It wasn't fun. That I can tell you. It wasn't a good time. I don't need pube, dude. When I'm home, I'm fine. I don't need pube or pleb. My bad, pleb. Dude, pleb is like the worst name you can come up with. Why is it called pleb? Why? Why would you name it pleb? Yo, jeez, dude. Yo, now my quant tower is taking forever to load. I hate trading while you're not at your house is literally the worst experience ever. Hands down. When you're not at home, like one, I don't know about you guys, but I have a real like trading computer. Like my computer can handle a lot at home. And it's just so much freaking better than this bullshit that I'm on. And I thought I got a good computer. Like it's an HP desktop. I don't know what the specs are. I think it's got at least 16 gigs of RAM. It sucks though. It sucks. If I grab like a 15K payout next week, I may buy another computer for out here. I might grab like a pretty good one, or I might just buy the one that I have, or I might move the one that I have here and buy an upgrade at home if that's possible. Yeah. Do I like it? So it works when I'm at home. I think there might have been like a connection issue because I did get an error and I was using internet. So yesterday morning, I traded on basically the internet was going in and out because where my computer is and the router is super far. So I was trading super far away from it. And when I placed the trades yesterday morning, I don't know if the connection was great, but that's why I didn't get sold out. And then I had errors on TradeSync. Yesterday I left, I got a range extender, and now I'm here. VPS, I feel like there'd still be a delay with a VPS, right? I don't know anything about that, honestly. So I usually trade 3 cons in the morning per account. I might only trade 1 con. I might only trade 1 con in the morning rather than my normal amount. Only because I don't really trust my equipment. Also, I've won. I think it's won 2 or 3 straight days in a row. I've won in the morning, so I don't want to fucking ruin it. But I think that's what I'm going to do is 1 con. I'm risking $100. 1 con, 1 opportunity. This is everything you ever wanted. Yo, what up? What up, Steven? Yo, what up, TJ? Just gonna freaking trying to get everything going. I'm on my other screen with Quant, trying to set up Quant Tower. One moment, could you capture it? Yo, there you go, Josh. Yeah, I mean, this looks like it's going to spill over and touch data lows. I do think that's what I'm going to do, though. 1 con at open, see where we go, try to scalp it, and that's it. I'm not going to do any of my take profit trader pro accounts. I'm not fucking those up. I'm just looking at what accounts I should use. I'm afraid it's not going to get me out. All I need is one mic. Bro, early duck race. Want me to open it up for you guys? I'll open it up for you guys. Whoever's on early. Whoever's on early, I am out of here hopefully by 11:30. I'm in the pool. I want to be in the pool by 11:30. What up, Tracy? Good morning. Good morning. There we go. I don't think I'm going to trade any of these motherfuckers. I don't want to ruin. I don't want to ruin these. Like I am. You know what I might do? I might fucking double dip on it. I might double dip. Yo, that's not a terrible idea that I have. Do a little try to double dip it with one con. I got to load it up on Trade Sinker. Yo, what up, DB? All right. This is going to be really good or really bad. Man, I hope that this Trade Sinker sells me out of this shit. I hope so. I'll use the not great accounts. I'll use this one. This one. There we go. I'll just use a handful of them. We'll see what happens. I'm not even going to trade my elite accounts. I'm not trading those. It'll just be too many fucking. If I can't get sold out, it'll be too much flipping around for me, actually. So I'm not going to trade those accounts. I'll just let them sit. Trade one con. What's not bad is I usually trade 3 cons. Dude, there's a lot of news, man. Did you see how the economic news, man? There's a lot of news coming up from 8:30 till 10 a.m. There's a lot of news, like a lot of shit that's coming out. I posted it in the Discord this morning. There's a lot of stuff coming out, man. Plus, you got the Trump meeting today. You got Trump meeting. What else you got? You got Trump meeting. You got all this news out today. I mean, don't ask. I just literally think we're going to touch these data lows. It just feels that way. By the way, I lose every time I trade pre-market. That's my disclaimer. I lose every single time I trade pre-market. I lose. I'm just letting you know. We get down to like 94, I'm going break even, just an FYI. What up, Black Beauty? Yo, your Take Profit Trader account needs Jesus right now. Yo, I've been there, man. I've been there. Honestly, you should just wait. You should almost wait until you have like CPI, PPI, or like non-farm payroll. You don't have non-farm. Actually, I don't think you have any one of those coming up soon. You got to wait 2 weeks. But I would look for you know what might get you out of the doghouse? August 27th, Nvidia has earnings. You could probably play Nvidia earnings on it. You know, where you just kind of bracket and then it just kind of goes one way or the other. Just trying to throw out ideas if you're looking for like a quick one hit, you know, one hit that can bring you back. So Nvidia is going to push the market one way or another, and it's going to go at least 50 points. Like I plan on passing accounts on Nvidia earnings 1,000%, or I'll take, you know, like a PA account that's just garbage, and I'll put some orders out there just to see if I can hit for a quickie. Come on. I'm out at break. I'm basically break even. I want to see continuation though, and I'm afraid they're going to hold it at 900. So I just protect myself. I'm putting on an account condom right now. Got to keep it protected. I would take $80 probably. This flashes down, I get like $80. I'm freaking out. Let's see if they just flash it. I'm following the candles down, by the way. One green candle could bring me all the way back up, and I don't want to risk it. Oh my God. I actually won a trade pre-market. Holy shit. Yo, what up, Jaden? What range do you give it, or do you manually exit? I'll just go for like 15 points on Nvidia earnings. Being that I only have 2 cons left, I'll just fucking move this all the way down. I'll let 2 cons move. This is just like a little appetizer before the main meal. This is just an appy, get my feet wet, you know, just stretching. I saw it, so I took it. I mean, that's not anything to write home about, but I guess $32 is $32. You know, how long does it take you to make $32 at a job? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Brian, it's definitely choppy today. What up, Victor? It's definitely choppy. You got a lot of news coming out. I'll tell you right. I'll just read it off for you guys. So look what we got. This is today. You had U.S. retail sales, sales minus autos, Empire State Manufacturing, and import price index and import price. That was all at 8:30. Industrial production is at 915. Capacity utilization is at 915. You got business inventories, consumer sentiment. Like, listen, is any one of these going to move the market massively where you're going to get 100 points? Probably not. But all connected, you can get that 15, 20 point wick that can blow you out of a position, so you just got to watch out. They're all data points. They're not the big boys, but you can definitely get wicks right before also. Like, you can get some fluttering before. So it's just something to think about. On small caps, what were you trading, Charles? Yeah, I'm on early. That's because I'm not streaming all day. I'm not streaming, I'm not continuously streaming through the day. I'm going to stop around probably like 11:30. I'm going to go out in the pool. I'm going to hang out. I'm going to eat lunch. I'm on vacation, man. So I would like to take advantage of it a little bit. And then I'll be back at like probably 2:15, 2:30 for the end of the day. No, I don't even know what those are. What's crazy is if I had my real trading setup with me, I would probably stay on all day. But it annoys me so much that I do not have more screens up, more capacity on my computer. Like, oh, we got to do the Twitter giveaway also today. Waldo, I have the whole family with me. Yep, whole family's with me. My wife is sleeping right now. My kids are watching some TV. We're just hanging out. It's not like we're not going to a park or something. Like, we're not going to like a great adventure or anything like that. Like, it's just a pool, hang out, go to the beach, chill out. Like, we're just relaxing. It's relaxing yesterday, today, tomorrow. My cousin's going to come by, and then I'm going to be out of here on Sunday. What up, CCPR? That's all it is. It's a getaway, It's about it, I'm telling you, I think we're going to hit that wick. We may go back up, but I just feel like there's a target for that data low. So, but yeah, it's definitely fun. Just to chill out, chillax. I'd like to smash the open, and then I can maybe smash the open, and then maybe we drop, rebound right back up, smash some gains, and then be out. That'd be awesome. I don't know if that's going to happen, but we'll see what happens. This looks like it's going to spill over. Yo, what up, Ray? Ray Stone in the house. What up, Edmonton? Man, oh man, oh man. Yo, is that Ray the Real Stone? Is that what his name said? Yeah, Charles, everything I use is free. I actually purposely use. All right, so the only thing I don't use that pays money is the copy trader. Um, Everything else I purposely find a free one so you guys can use it without having to pay. So like I've seen paid ones that were better, but I would rather use a free one or multiple indicators that are free because then you're able to follow along without being like, oh, I got to pay for this. Like I try to keep everything here free or as little as possible. So, what up, Golden? So, that was kind of like what my goal was. So, when I was getting my indicators, like I'll just keep searching. Like I found a fair value gap inversion indicator that only 21 people hit the thumbs up button on. Now, mind you, like the bigger indicators have like thousands. So I literally went through all these indicators to find one that was good, that was free. And literally, I found one, but it was like way down the list, way down the list. But I mentioned you to a few friends. I appreciate it. Listen, if you share the stream, I definitely appreciate it, man. More people, everybody's welcome. Somebody else just came to the Discord yesterday. That was brand new. Somebody told them about. It's just, yeah, but that's how I feel about the indicators. There's always a free one out there. Like if you have a paid one and you're like, hey man, like this is a paid indicator, I like it. Can you find one that's similar that's free? I bet you I can find it on TradingView. Oh, I pay for TradingView. Sorry. You got to pay for TradingView. I mean, that has all the tools and all the scripts on it. I'm telling you, this is going to be the target right here, 884. Yeah, I found a $1,500. And yeah, I'm telling you, man, they're all free that's out there. Somebody made, I think what happens is one of two things. Either somebody makes a paid indicator and somebody's like, dude, I can make that for free and does it. Or a guy who can make indicators sees a bunch of good free ones and is like, oh, I'm going to take these 5 free ones. I'm going to package it into one indicator and I'm going to sell it. Cove, I ended up getting TPT for that second account for my daughter. It's the best and logical thing to get with your code for. Yo, I'm telling you, Ali, that deal is fucking awesome. It expires on Sunday. If you trade Take Profit Trader or never have, they have 40% off, no activation fee. 40% off, no activation fee. And then if you take it to a payout, they'll send you your email money back, your initial eval money. Yo, how is she trading, Ali? What is she using? What's the what type of indicators is she using? I meant to ask you. I was definitely curious. Yeah, Ali's kid, dude, she passed the first one. First account she passed. Yeah, I don't know what she's using, but it's obviously working out pretty well. She's definitely crushing it. Yo, if she passes her second account, Ali's going to be like, yo, can you teach me? I'm pretty, you're flexing. I'm pretty sure you can because I'm going to be in the same boat. I'm pretty sure you can do it. I know other firms do it. I'm pretty sure that TPT does it. But yeah, I think after you pass, you go pro, and I think you pay for it, and then I think it just sits in the thing. Not that you pay for it, but you get you use the credit, you go through the process, and then it just doesn't show, and it just kind of sits in the wings. I know my funded futures is the same way. You basically pass it, you activate it and whatnot, and then it just sits there. It just sits there in the ETH, just waiting. The moves always happen when you go to sleep. That's true. David, I have a problem with my funded futures. Has been the easiest prop to get payouts, but had to sacrifice 3 funded to get sub. Why don't you try keeping one of them, David, and see how high you can ring it up? Dude, Ali, that's amazing. Yeah, I would not take the next payout and see how high you can get it. I've been telling people to stay away from funded next. Yeah. Funded next. We've been talking about funded next for a little bit. I'd probably stay away. I'd probably stay away from them for a little bit. Just an FYI. Just a tidbit. I would stay away from funded next. I would stay away from funded ticks. Their customer support is brutal. I reached out to the customer support, and it was literally one of the worst experiences I've ever had. I was like, what are we doing here, guys? Like, it was awful. It was awful, awful. Yeah. I'm out on funded tick. Like, funded ticks is not. Some people like the zero accounts, but like you got to watch out about some hidden rules. Basically, there's like an inactivity rule. There's a no scalping rule, like a no what is it, micro scalping rule. So like if you hold, I think Sean uses them because he just holds, or he's holding for bigger moves. So it's not bad. But like if you're looking to scalp, it's probably not the way to go. But there's a couple guys that like him in the chat. But yeah, funded next, I'm out on. Family funded, I'm out on. Funded network or some shit like that, I'm out on. There's no reason. There's just better opportunities out there. I also feel like Sean, like how you trade would cause zero issues everywhere. Like you're buying and you're holding and you're not doing a lot of trades, I guess. Like, I feel like if anyone has no issues, it would be you. I don't use them for that reason. Dude, the fact that she got and passed her first account in a league, man, that's crazy. Yo, design knob, yeah. You know what it is everybody jumps. So this is how prop firms work. A new one comes out, right? They offer you a great deal because they want people in there. And then like in the fine print, there's like, all this random shit in the fine print that no one sees on the homepage. It's only when you already pay pay pass, pay the activation fee, and then when it's time to take a payout, it's like, oh, check this out, man. Like, check this out. Shouldn't have done that. And you're like, what? Like, I was just trading, dude. Outrageous trader. Thanks for your time and your support of the community. Yo, I appreciate it, man. I hope you enjoy yourself here. I hope you enjoy everything, man. If you got any questions, I'm always here to help out, I mean, they're definitely affordable. Yo, what up, Alfred? What's cracking, man? I am. Yeah, but they also charging you like $20, like 20% less now. Also, if you notice, you know what I mean? It's not like they didn't give you anything. They're charging you 20% less, and you can use 5 accounts now. You know what I'm saying? Like, there was definitely some give and take about that. Yo, I'm trying to log into PayPal and it's just not fucking letting me in. It like just spins. I wonder, I was trying to send people stuff from the duck race, but I might have to just do this later on. Yeah, no consistency is amazing, man. Yo, I'll tell you what, Ali, like I tell everybody, if you can make money in futures and you're getting payouts, I would take that money that you got there and I would move it into stocks, either dividend stocks, or I would be writing options, not buying options where you're paying premium, writing puts, and you're just kind of collecting money elsewhere with it. Like dividends is great. Like I said, writing options is great where you're creating another source of income while you trade futures. Oh. All right, here we go. What up, Tack? But yeah, that's how like I tell everybody in the whole market, like you should have multiple aspects of, you're not going to have it on day one. Like, let's be real. You're not going to have it on day one. And if you can't manage a small amount of money, you're not going to be able to manage a large amount of money. But once you get profitable, take your profits and move it around to things that no matter what happens, you're getting paid on. All right. It's almost time to get to work here. Honestly, for the break, I kind of only like the high side. Anyone see all time? I'm eating a duck. They're eating the ducks. I can see all-time highs. Dude, all it takes is one yo, I might start playing that. You see that candle? That's the 925 algo candle. I'm curious if you can grab 3 points at 925 every day. Everybody see that? That just happened. That happens almost every day at 9:25. I wonder if you put an order below and above the previous candle. Obviously, this candle was large, so I would only play it to the downside. But if you got like a small candle, you play the break on both sides, you could probably get 3 points almost every day. 3 points, three minis is like $200. I am going to back test that. I don't know. I watch it every single day happen. And I'm like, I don't. Do I use any trading systems? I do not use any. I don't use any bots. I use a lot of fair value gaps, like inversions. Like I want to see a sweep, like lows or take out highs, and then invert gaps on the way back down. This is what my chart looks like. So I have like, it'd be cool to take out London lows and then come back up. You take out liquidity to the downside and then we come back through. In the description of this video, if you click, there's a link that says a link for free stuff and everything else. If you click that link, there's a free, futures course I put together. All it is a PDF with like all my strategies and then like one video about myself if you want to watch it. It's just a place because a lot of people ask about strategies. And I just kind of took the videos out from my library and put them in there. And then also if you go to my videos and type in like win rate or just win, you'll see a lot of cool videos about different indicators that I've back tested through time that have different win rates and stuff like that. I'm going to need this on because I have a feeling I'm going to. I hope this trade freaking thing works. What the absolute fuck was that? Oh my God. Of all times, my computer's fucking. Yo, you can tell we're getting close to open. Yo, once we get close to open, this shit starts fucking acting up. All right, you ready, boys and girls? You got 1 minute. I love it to the upside here. By the way, did we take data lows? Oh, it was so close. I thought we would, though. That was so close. I would have gotten out. I'm only doing one con. I usually do 3 cons at open. What time is open? 9:30 Eastern time. All right. Time to get to work. Let's see if I can catch some momentum here. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. I'm using literally a third of the size I normally use. So if I lose today and then I win on Monday, I'm perfectly fine with, like, not fine with it, but like I'd be up. It's not something I'm going to fucking. I'm not taking it. I didn't take anything. I didn't take anything. Holy shit. I didn't. Let me turn my fucking. Oh. What? What? Yeah. What? What do you want? What? What? Okay. Never mind. We're good. Dude, my copy trader actually wouldn't have worked. It was off. All right, I'm shutting my quant tower down. Dude. Previous month high. We got the lows that are swept. Here we go. Oh my God. Dude, my fucking shit is so fucked up. Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. Volumized. Oh man. I can't believe I'm fucking missing out on this. That's not fucking clean. My bad. I forgot multiplier on my trade copy and made way too much in another account. Yeah, I should have played it to the downside. I'll be honest with you. I'm not on. I should have fucking played that. Although I was only playing one con. So honestly, one con wouldn't have really done a whole lot. But I think the drawdown, I got $77 of drawdown. What am I going to do with $77 of drawdown here? What am I going to do here? $77? I'm just going to pray. We're just going to pray that it goes fucking down lower. Bro, if I bring this back from $77, if they drop this all the way down, this is $77 a drawdown. Make new lows. Make new lows for me. New lows. Just dump it. Oh, fucked. Oh. That would have been so cool to do like $800 in it when $77 a drawdown. Look, and now it's going to drop. I'm not playing the drop. I'm just looking at it. Previous month high is right here. It has all the makings of going lower. We are below all these lows. What is that? That's yesterday's low, right? Yeah, that's yesterday's low. Oh no, yesterday's low is down here at 841. I'm just watching. I don't know, man. I don't fucking trust this. I don't trust this that much because we've wicked 1, 2, 3 times and they just keep selling it down, right? You like the one that I share on TradingView or these, that's called order blocks and breaker blocks, Lux Algo. Yeah, see how like we just keep wicking in this direction. Take a short off and I'm just seeing what I want to do here. Yeah, all good, man. All good. I share it all. I'm just watching. It seems like we're going to fucking dump. It seems like we're going to dump. I have $300 of drawdown in this account. That's not great. Take it if you like it. Take it if you like it. There we go. We might go further, but that's $120 and my drawdown is shit. So my drawdown is shit there, so I am not touching it. The one thing I'm worried about is right here. We're at previous month high. Previous month high kind of worries me just a tad bit. Not saying it can't go through, but it might bounce back up to 877. Like I'm just playing probabilities here. What up, Andy? Just playing probabilities. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I mean, they're holding 850 ish. The previous month high is right here. I'm just kind of like, you know, there's news coming out also in I think in 4 minutes there's news coming out. There's news at 9:45. There's news at 9:45. There's news at 10 o'clock. Like there's a lot of shit that's going on right now. So I'm just kind of watching. But I you got a little tweezer bottom here. What are we working with? On the new accounts, Waldo, if you got a new account, you could trade news. Yeah, all the new like the core, the scale. You can trade news with all those. I'm just watching. By the way, there's the link to the Twitter giveaway. That's today. We're gonna do the giveaway today on the afternoon stream. If you want to join, push it. One more push. See, sometimes I'm like, should I have just taken my $100? Probably. Like, I was up $100 and just didn't fucking take the $100. You know, things that I contemplate doing sometimes. I'm like, yo, I should have just taken $100. I would have been like, cool, I just made a quick hundy, right? Especially on a day like today, I'm not at my normal computer. I should have just taken the $100. Everything about that. There's news in fucking 1 minute. Like, why am I not taking the $100? Instead, I'll take a $300 loss because I didn't take $100 gain. So stupid. Stupid fucking money management right there. I had it. It was the perfect scalp for a so stupid. things I do sometimes, I'm like, why? And now I'm still now I'm like, why didn't I play my fucking normal shit in the morning? I would have been up fucking $5,000 again. Like, that's gonna haunt me because you know what? On Monday, it's probably gonna fucking lose, and then I'm gonna be like, well, why didn't I just play it on Friday? I didn't play because we just dumped out of nowhere. Stupidity that you just went short. I am just watching and waiting and seeing what's playing out here. I can't short it down here. I mean, we just dump. It's kind of what I'm looking for. It's exactly what I'm looking for. Um, Man, I should have just stuck to my fucking rules in the morning. I can't believe I didn't stick to my rules. Push it down, 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 push it down. Sweep 800, sweep 800, sweep 800. Sweep it. Yeah, get under there. Get under there. Take everybody's stop loss out. Yeah, get under. It got under for a quick second. Take everybody's stop loss out. Sweep it to like 790 or something. Just get everybody's orders, and then we come back up. Take it. You can see it seems like the selling's starting to die off on the one. You could definitely see the selling starting to die off here. I would like one more flash down to take everyone's stops out. Just do it. Just do it. Oh, it's right there. Come on. Here we go. Man, they're fighting it out right here. I think you're gonna get a flash. Yeah, here we go. There you go. You see all that? You see that quick candle that went down like 8 points in a flash? That's just stop losses that were just eaten up. Look at that. Look at that. Stop losses just took it. They just took it. People got just stopped out right there, and now watch. They're gonna bring it right back. Watch them bring it right back. I got my finger on the trigger here. I would enter a close over that. I'm watching it. There you go, Steven. Getting fucking paid, brother. I like that. Dude, they bring this back over 800. Are they going to do it? Are they going to do it? Hold right here. Just hold right here. Hold. Don't make a new low and then pop back over 800. That would be fucking nice. No. Hold the low. Just hold it. Hold the low. Get back over 800. It'll get me to get in. You will suck me in for a trade. That I can tell you. I'm gonna buy. I want to. If I do this, I'm gonna set up a couple TPs. Listen, if I lose, I lose. But this is what I look for, so it is what it is, right? Need to get back over 800 and close over 800 is what we need. If I can get this to like 815, I'll be out. If we can get to 815, I'll be out and I'll move to break even. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? I'm about to take an L. Fuck you, market. Dude, everything's gone wrong. Oh. That looks so fucking good. That looks so fucking good. I'm looking at it on my other screen. Like, we just took out 792 was what I was looking at. That was yesterday's pre-market low. Dude, are you fucking kidding me that didn't fucking bang? I can't believe that didn't hit. Watch, they sweep it, and now this is the bottom. I'm not against going back in. Fuck it. What's the drawdown in this account? I got drawdown. Dude, you are a fucking motherfucker, NQ. You are such a motherfucker. Watch it go all the way the fuck back up. Yo, then the V starts. Come on, baby. I mean, at least take me out of 3. Yo, what up, Maximilian? Dude, I'll be honest with you. I am fucking. There is no stop on this. There is no stop. No fucking stop. Actually, I want to be at the body. Actually, I'll just take 3 off right there. I'm going to take 3 at the 34. And take 3 right there. I'm letting it ride. Ride or die. Bad boys for life, man. Bro, my ass hurts me from sitting on this kitchen chair. Oh my God. This is not fucking going my way today. Come on, baby. I don't even stop at stop signs. I'm driving. Dude, my brake doesn't even work in my car. Why would I stop here? Come on. I mean, we consolidate right here and then push up. It's actually pretty nice. You want to get a green candle, though, within the next couple candles that go over 14. I'm trying to stay right under this green and right under this blue, as those are moving averages for resistance. Come on, man. Give me a fucking push. Give me a push. How long are we going to hang in this motherfucker for? I mean, what up, Maximilian? News in 2 minutes? Awesome. I can't wait. I can't fucking wait to get blown out. My back's going to get blown out. There you go. I don't even know what happened. Oh my God. Dude, the news just fucking got me. Well, that's what happens when you don't pay attention to news. It literally said I was up $500 for a split second. Topstep, it's all about how much money you make in a day to count as a trading day. I'm fucking in this. I can't. I'm not getting out. I refuse to. How I select different TP points, I look on the left side. So see how like we peaked here and then came down? That's a TP point. Actually, the TP is really 21, but you know, I'm looking. So I know this green line, which is the 34, is going to be resistance, right? So I'm going to go right below it. So I'm either looking at moving averages for TPs or I'm looking at like this wick. See this wick right here? This could definitely be a TP at 820. You know, this right here, the spike high before it drops, that's a TP right there, 863. You know, I look on the left for TP points. So technically this is a TP point. So I'm going to take it right there because it's close enough to the 34 and you got this, right? All right. Now for you guys that were bad boys for life, ride or die, are fucking up, right? Everybody's enjoying life now, right? Yo, I have improper risk management, but fuck them. I'm here to make money. If I, you know, but there's definitely improper risk management that just happened on that account because I was down $1,300. But fuck them. What am I going to do? Sell out and be down $1,300, or I'm only going to be down $390, right? What are you going to do? Am I going to bail out on a trade that I like because it's down? I like this trade. I liked this from the beginning. The only reason I got stopped out. If I didn't get stopped out, the trade idea worked. I mean, it was definitely there. I think it's going to go higher. Don't fucking do this, people. Don't do this. Don't do this. This is an awful fucking trade. I know it, and everybody else should know it too. It's an awful trade. I'm probably going to get stopped. To me, it's a continuation of the trade that 920. But the rule that I got, I just broke right in front of you. Even if I make money, I completely broke my rules. So, you know, I'm moving my stops up. If I, you know, so I'm only risking 6 points. Push it. Fucking push it. Only because there we go. Now it's a free. Now we're riding free. They're gonna catch me riding dirty. What up, Benjamin? It's all about the Benjamins, baby. Up 3K in a funded. That's a solid place to be. I mean, we caught the bottom. This might be the top. We're starting to get overbought here, looking for kind of a pullback. I'm just going to sell. Oh, it won't sell me out. I'm out. I'm out, boys and girls. That was not a bad trade. If I didn't get stopped out the first fucking time for I don't know, a lot of fucking money. If I didn't get stopped out here, it would have been awesome. But that's kind of why I re-entered. The trade was still there. For me, the trade was still there. What I make on that long? Well, I got stopped out for 600 at least. No, I got stopped out for, I don't know. This was 12 contracts. So I got stopped out for like $700 at like the bottom. And then I don't know. I made it all back. I made it all back plus some, because I bought, this was 12 cons. This was 15 cons. And then I got another 6 up here. Yo, you held that, Sean? Yeah. Dude, if I didn't get fucking stopped out, such a loser. I think you can definitely keep going. If it flags right here, Sean, I will get back into the upside. I just want to see them work off the stochastics just a little bit. I'm not opposed to taking this back up. I think what you're going to see, though, is you're going to see one red candle that comes down to like 26 to get longs out, and then they're going to bring it back up. I want to see that red candle down is what I'd love to see. Down to like 31 or something, suck in shorts, and then they bring it right back up. Can I go to the fucking, I can do this. Fuck, man. I'm just reliving a fucking trade that I should have taken on, and I didn't take it. Sucks. But I wasn't going to play with full con, so it doesn't really matter. If I would have played the open like I normally do, I would have hit another bag today, but I just didn't feel comfortable doing it on this computer again. Should have done it. I should have definitely done it. I should have played at least one, but the copy trader didn't work. Out of that short, one last posted on Discord, one last funded alive. Let me look. Let's pray my fucking computer can withstand looking at Discord at the same time. Wait. Why are you not you're at a payout already, Maria? You're at a payout. You know that, right? You can get paid right now. Are you kidding me? Maria, you could take out $1,255. That's Top Step, right? You're on Top Step? Yo, I got a magnet down there. Yo, Maria, you can take out $1,255. Do not trade that account at all. Where'd you think you had to go to? No, no, you need 5 days of $200 or more, and that's it. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today would be day 6. You can only pull out half your profits, though. Yo, everybody, smash the confetti from Maria's first payout. Let me see if I can bring it up on here on my fucking beat up computer. First payout. Holy shit. 12. So once the market closes, go request the money. I can't even pull it up on my fucking thing. Inmate 69 gets paid. Yeah. Wow. Maria with the first payout. Do some 69 today. Yo, as soon as the market closes, go request it. Yeah, you just need the market to close. Don't trade the account anymore. Do not trade the account anymore. Yeah. In my honor. Yo. That's awesome. Yeah, close it. You can hit the lock button. Lock the account for the day. Yeah, that's crazy. Yo, it was good that you shared it. Otherwise, you wouldn't have even known. Yeah. That's awesome. It's true. That's awesome. I think we're going to get one candle down red and then back up, but we'll see. Yo, if you don't share that, you don't even know that you can get a payout. That's crazy. Yeah. Well, now you're a newbie with a $1,255 payout. Dude, you did it all, Maria. Ain't nobody hitting the button but you. I'm not hitting the button. No one else is. That's awesome. Yo, your weekend just got better. Yeah, look at this shit. It's going to go all the way back up. I'm slamming buttons. The best part is, I mean, you'll take the money out and you'll still have that account. Like, you're not going to lose the account. So your drawdown after you take the money out is going to be $1,255. So you still have a decent drawdown. Sean, you telling me, brother? I could have held for 40 more points. I just don't know why I don't respect my take profits. Like, I get why I sold like right up here, but like my next take profit should have been at 62, and I should have just fucking held it. Or if I had 15, sell at 40 right under the 50, and then sell here, probably sell right under the 200. Some like, I don't know why I fucking premature cellulation. I didn't get no 50 points. I got in at like 804. What is that? Like 18 on some, 30 on some. And then I got back in from 45. I got another 7 up there. I don't know, man. I fucking blew it. You know why I blew it? Because I was down fucking $1,300 at one point. If I was probably up, I would have kept, if I was up, I would have probably just rode more out. I think it's going all the way up to 900. Yeah, that news candle sucked, but I said, fuck it, I'm holding. But that was the trade. I mean, this is the trade. I mean, we had the trade. I got stopped the first time. And then, just by saying fuck it and knowing that it's going to go back up. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, you're getting closer to that Putin fucking meeting. Who knows what they're talking about? You got the Putin meeting going on. You got a ton of shit. Dude, that Putin meeting is going to be wild, by the way. I wonder what comes about. Yeah, it's at 3:30, but they're going to fucking talk about that shit. Dude, Steven, you made money, man. Seems like you're getting better, man. I feel like you're getting a lot better. Recently, I feel like you've won a bunch of trades recently. Gonna go for a walk. Me, yo, Maria's like, oh my God, I got $1,255 coming my way. I'm just looking at my I'm just looking at my Shiznik right now. Yeah, Steven, trading by yourself sucks, dude. Yo, Maria's looking at everybody being like, yo, I just made $1,255 today. I know that feeling. I know that feeling. You're just walking around and being like, yo, these people don't even know how much money I made today. Yup. Trading will do that. Trading will definitely do that. See, so if you look, we really didn't drop, and stochastics have gone all the way down to like 40. I would be interested in taking this up. I want to see them sweep maybe or not. Yo, he's gonna have to pay up. There, watch. We're gonna sweep. If this comes back up, I'm taking it. Push down. Push down. Push down. Push down. This thing's gonna turn around soon. Come on, push it back up. That name grinds my gears almost as June does. Yo, Dakota. Dude, I thought Dakota was trading a live account. I guess he's not anymore. He's no longer trading a live account. I thought he was the golden boy. I thought he was the big guy who trades the live account over there. Is that not true anymore? What is it? What's this fucking price? Yo, this is a free trade. I just got fucking stopped. Made $42. Who's June? Isn't he the guy that ran Thrive and fucking rug pulled everybody? But he was also involved in Fast Track, I think. I think he was involved in Fast Track as well. I don't pay a ton of attention to all the fucking names and all the characters, but I think that's what it is. He was part of Fast Track Trading, and then he was part of Thrive. I think he was the CEO of Thrive. Brett doesn't own that by himself. There's an Asian guy that I've seen his name somewhere, and he's I think the real money behind that firm. Like it's not Brett. Brett's just the face. There's an Asian guy that's behind it. I've seen his name floated around on some documents. The problem with prop firms, if you started one, you need like a really big bankroll because obviously you got to offer really good deals to get people in. And most of the time, offering good deals is not super profitable for these firms, and you can get hosed. That's what happens in early on. Like, you know who had really good, crazy deals? Dude, what was that prop firm? It started with a P that went out really quick. Dude, what was their name? It started with a P. This looks like a Head and Shoulders. You're short? I'll join you. I'll join you for a quick fucking flip. Yo, what was the prop firm that was? I can't even move my fucking stops. What was it? Dude, I just got fucking yo-yo. Well, hold on one second. Start with a P. Honestly, they're probably going to take this up. That was the fucking, manipulation candle. That really was the manipulation. Watch. If you put a stop at 40, I bet you they take it all the way up. I feel like trading. I'm not copy trading today, so I feel like. Dude, what the fuck was it? I bought profit trade, piano, profit trade. Yeah. Profit trade had some crazy fucking rules. And I got like 3 accounts with them because I was like, oh, these rules are amazing. And then they went out so fucking quick that you couldn't even get a payout. I was like, you guys were gone in like 2 months, not even. And that's when I stopped going to these brand new ones. Dude, my ass is hurting so bad by sitting on this kitchen fucking seat. That my shoulder. Because my keyboard and everything is up. So my shoulder in the back is like, I don't know if it's like a muscle that's like just super tired that it hurts. I can't believe I fucking missed the trade today early on. Stupidity. Stupidity. The opening, like I should have just followed the momentum down and got my 7.5 points and been fucking out. It was right there for the taking. It was right there for the taking, and I just did not do it. You have like look at this. You want to see something? Look, you got a shoulder, head, shoulder. If you measure this fucking move, we'll just call it 70. That's 110 point. That's 110 point measured move to the upside from here. Your target would technically be 2,400. No, yeah, 2,400 would technically be your target if you break this Head and Shoulders. The break point is like 84. Not saying it's going to go there. I'm just telling you like how people do the measured move and whatnot. I'll probably end up getting stopped out, but I'm going to put it right below this, whatever this is. It's so weird not copy trading because it's like, oh, it's just one account. Like usually I would be in fucking 5 accounts with 5 micros. So you're really at like 2.5 minis, but being with like 6 micros, I'm kind of like just let it ride. Just let it ride. If we go to break out, I might fucking add. I might add at like an 880 break. It might flush. You never know. I mean, the market could do anything. It's just consolidating. It's just consolidating. Man, I'm going to kick myself for a while that I didn't take that fucking trade this morning. But I am definitely in line for fucking payouts. I'm right there that I can taste 10 G's of payouts. I just got to get back to my normal computer. Once I get back to my normal computer, it's on like Donkey Kong. I'll be back Monday. Probably do an all day Monday stream. Blew my chance for a payout. It sucks, man. Grow Cove. That's what I was talking about yesterday. I missed 2 massive moves yesterday morning and then got chopped up. But yeah, listen, man. I think about it, but I'm not going to just revenge trade it by no means, Steven. Like, I fucking missed out. What am I going to do? Actually, you know what? I closed my whole quant tower. I can't trade the accounts if I close it. You know, like the accounts are closed. I will just sit and I will wait until the next trade and that's it. Like, I'm not going to lose my accounts because of missing a trade. Like, you know, I think that's the mental side of the game that people don't get into. Yeah. He's going to be homeless now. He's like, please stop. Yeah, well, that's why it's cool trading with people, Steven. Like, you know, I personally can just walk away. I mean, will I think about it? Yeah, because the crazy part was I was only going to trade one mini. So instead of making like, you know, when I hit, it hits for like $5,000 because I do it in all these accounts. Technically, I'm buying. If you add up all the accounts, I'm probably buying between 30 and 40 minis, if you think about it. But you know, the reality of it is I was only going to do one mini and I wasn't going to do any of my take profit trader accounts. So like really, I was only going to do 5. I was going to do 4 Apex accounts. I was only going to buy like 9 minis compared to the normal 30 to 40. So it's not like I missed out on a lot. I'm going to get stopped. So, you know, to me, like I missed out, but like I didn't miss out. I missed out on like $145 in a bunch of accounts. So I can't sit here and complain. I'd rather just, better than taking the loss on a Friday also, and knowing that I shouldn't have done it would have probably eaten me up more, being that like I knew I shouldn't have taken it. I fucking took it. I'm too close to payouts with accounts. Like, actually, not even those accounts. Those accounts are at 50,400, 50,600 in funded, but I got some that are 51,300 on TPT. Like, I'm $700 away from a payout. Like, why am I going to just risk it on a shit computer that the internet's choppy as fuck? I'm just not going to risk it for the biscuit. Yeah. I don't know, man. I mean, it's kind of extended at this point, but it wicked these lows. I mean, it would have to come up right now for like an inverted head and shoulders. If they drop it lower, I would say it's invalidated at that point. Sorry, I gotta stand up. My ass is like, dude, this is what I'm sitting on. I'm sitting on this fucking kitchen chair, this wooden kitchen chair. Bro, I have no blood left in my ass from sitting on it. It's like numb. I got numb ass. I got pins and needles. Oh, market's getting too slow. Well, this may be a new record for holding. Dude, I'm gonna fucking fuck this market, man. I know. Dude, why is my kid fucking screaming that? What is he screaming about? Dude, I'm gonna get fucking fucked. I'm just getting out. I'm just getting out. What the fuck is going on over there? See, this is what I'm looking at on my other screen. I'll just bring it over. It's so small. I usually don't take these fucking small ones at all. I normally don't take these small ones, but I felt like it was worth it. And then we started breaking lower, and then I was like, fuck it. See, this is I play on the 32nd. So this was my first entry that lost. This is my second entry that obviously won. And then here's a small little guy. We swept these lows and we're coming back up, but I usually don't play that smallness. But he's risking it for the biscuit. I should, but it just looks fucking awful. See how we're unable to get above the 34 and the blue line, that's the 50. It looks like we're just going to like roll the fuck over. Honestly, if you invalidate this to the downside and roll, I mean, you're probably going to test this wick all the way down here at 765. That'd be a crazy short, actually, all the way down at data low. Data low short. It's not a terrible idea. I'm just seeing where you'd get in. Fuck it. I'm on vacation. I'm willing to let it ride. I've already done enough damage in the account. Don't follow this. Do not follow this. Dude, my ass is hurting me. Dude, this is the most uncomfortable trading that I could possibly do. My ass is hurting me. The internet's choppy. I'm on a dumbass computer. I can't even bring everything up because it would slow the computer down. This is not a high quality trade. I'm well aware of that. Like, just fucking is what it is. I might move this up though. It just fucking is what it is. I'm just uncomfortable sitting here, to be completely honest with you. Yeah, awesome, cool. My shoulder's killing me from sitting like this because everything is like elevated, I guess. I don't even know. Yeah, Oki. I usually wait personally. Personally, I usually wait. I am just fucking uncomfortable. Honestly, and now that the account is $400 of drawdown, I am probably just gonna freaking. Let me go to the hourly. Just looking to see what we got going on like the higher time frames. Actually, higher time frames looks like we're going down to like 636. What's crazy is on the 15-minute, all we did was retest this fair value gap, and now we're rejecting. We're probably going to go back down and test data lows. But who knows? You got Putin talking today. You got Trump with Putin. That's a good way to look at it, Oki. That's a good way to look at it. Yo, I'm just throwing this out there. Oh, damn. I haven't fucking eaten yet today. What are we thinking? Just short? Dude, I'm going to hold all the way to data lows. There's no stops. Yo, we're going to do the drawing for this today. If you want to join, Twitter giveaway drawing is today. I just put the link in the chat. We will do that. We'll do that today at we'll do that today on the afternoon stream. Bro, Robert, anything would be better than this chair, bro. I am literally, it's wood. I am literally sitting on wood. Yesterday I sat on wood for, how long did I stream? 6 hours? I sat on wood for 6 hours. My ass is sore from it. It's not the best way to trade with being uncomfortable. My internet is slow where I'm at. It's just an awful experience. I'm just being honest with you. The internet's slow. My computer's slow. I just took I just went to break even. I just went to break even. We'll see if it continues down. Where am I at? I'm out. I'm on Eastern Long Island right now. I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. I'm actually gonna probably around 11:30 jump off and go in the pool, hang out, and I'll be back at 2:15 to do like power hour. We'll do account giveaways. We'll do the Twitter giveaway. We'll have some fun. I think it depends on what type of market you're in, Oki. What up, Andy? Depending on if this goes red, I'm going to move my stops. I'm going to move my stops right here. So now I'm going to lock in I think that's $100, a little more than 100 I locked in. So I locked in. This is 118. This will be another 100. I think we're going to go to data low, so it's going to be interesting here. I should take the $300. Oh, my brother lives in Seaford. Ron. Yeah, my brother literally lives in Seaford, right by the high school. Yeah. Seaford's a nice area, man. Nice little area. The school's good. Some good food over there. Yeah, my brother just bought a house over there. Over there bailing water out of his basement the other day with that big rain we got. I'm going to move one. Just trying to secure some extra money here. I want to see if it breaks 800 though. Come on. Dude, data low would be so fucking money right there. Should have bought more. Should have bought more. That was a trip. Yo, isn't that crazy? We bounced basically and then rejected right off of London and Asia lows. I'm going to start testing that out from the downside. The downside, if we sweep and then come back down. Wait, what? Brother, I accidentally blew a 150K that was up 6K. I forgot the multiplier was on. Oh, jeez. Yo, what up, CT? Bro, I'm gonna get the call today. I might get the call today for my thing. Signed contract. Signed contract. I am fucking excited. Dude, that sucks, Dell. That sucks. Are your brothers older or younger? They're younger. I have three brothers. I'm one of three. I'm the oldest. The other ones, we're all within 10 years. But yeah, I'm the oldest. And then dude, my dad's one of the guys. So like we were just sitting at family dinner one day. And I don't know how we got on this subject. And my dad was like, yeah, like we tried to have you, like telling me my one younger brother. And he's like, And then you were an accident, and then to my youngest brother, he's like, we were in Myrtle Beach, and we were all hammered, and that's how you were made. I was like, holy shit. Yeah. Yeah. That's my dad for you. Yo, I'll see you on Monday, man. But yeah, my dad's like one of the guys. And that story was told at fucking family dinner. Bro. Yeah, my dad's wild. My dad is 73. He boogie boards, he surfs, he rides dirt bikes, he rides quads. He lives up in New York for like a month to like maybe 2 months out of the year, and the rest of the time he lives in the Baja in Mexico. And my dad's just one of those guys. He's active. He's super active, super active every day, doing shit, deep sea fishing, partying with his friends. He's so active. Yeah. I was told I was planned but regretted. Oh, jeez. It's TPT. Jude, you blew a TPT account? Yo, I was gonna say, if you guys didn't know, yeah, the resets are $100 in TPT. Don't buy it, the new account. Also, my funded futures they're running this week is, instead of buying a new account, resets are 15% off. Code Cove Trader, 15% off. Damn, Steven, that sucks. Yeah, man, it's called, bro. Just so everybody knows, you can ask everything, every question you have, you can ask on the stream. I don't not answer anybody. Andy, it's called Spaceman BTC Key Levels. I don't know why it's like for Bitcoin, and then you got to go in and you can edit all the different highs and lows that you want, and you could set the times. Like I'm an hour off on my thing. I don't know why, but you set the ranges that you want. I don't know. I should have had previous day. I don't know why that wasn't clicked. You know what's crazy? That's fucking crazy. If I had this on, I was wondering where the previous day low. That made this trade even better. That made this trade even better, sweeping the daily lows. The only thing that would have made that even better is sweeping the previous week high and then come back through. Yeah. Dude. Just so you guys are aware, this ends on Sunday. Just throwing it out there because I know a lot of you guys trade Take Profit Trader. It's 40% off, no eval cost. And if you pass, they send you your initial eval money back. It's Take Profit Trader. And I'm just telling you, someone's going to be like, yo, is that deal still going on next week? It ends on Sunday at midnight. Just letting you know. Take Profit Trader. Yo, what up? I didn't even see you, Mr. Mulatto. What's cracking? Yeah, Sean basically come to find out the guy had an, oh. Damn, Steven. Yo, Ron B submitted a $3,000 payout. Yo, smash the fucking confetti for Ron B. Dude, that's awesome, man. That's freaking awesome, dude. Get fucking, dude, there's a lot of payouts happening today. You just got an email saying it ends today? Hold on one second. I think it ends Sunday. I'm looking right now. Nah, ends for good on Sunday. I got an email. Yeah. Yeah, ends Sunday. Yep, flash sale ending. Yep, 40% lifetime discount, no activation fees, and 100% first month test refunds in that account. Yeah. Yeah, it said in a previous email it ends Sunday. I see what you're saying. So today is the day to grab them if you haven't, but that's just wording they used. But I would grab it. If you're interested, I would grab it. Just throwing it out there. If you're interested, I would fucking grab it. What's the difference if you grab it today or fucking Sunday? You're probably going to end up forgetting. I have 4 pro accounts. I'm actually going to have 5. Oh my God, my ass. My ass on this fucking chair. Bro, I need somebody to massage it, get the blood flow going back in. I don't know, Rick. I got one email that says, I got multiple emails that say Sunday. Can we talk about funded accounts? Are they much more expensive? What funded accounts are you talking about, Maria? You mean buying straight to funded accounts? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, that's true. Grab it today and get an extra flip day in. Yeah. Ain't that the truth, Visible? You know exactly that's exactly I'm always like that. Like as soon as I buy these accounts, I bought them at like literally like the end of the day. And I was like, 1 micro in, 1 micro out. Okay, day 1 is done. Straight to funded accounts. Maria, I would not buy a straight to funded account unless you've gotten payouts. The issues with straight to funded accounts are usually the consistency is lower. It's usually like 20% consistency rule. And you just got to see what your pass rate is. So like, if your pass rate is like 30%, or we'll just call it 25%, right? It might be cheaper to just pass an account. You know what I mean? Like Tradeify, like it all depends on, you got to look at the cost of the straight to funded, the cost if you go the other route, what your pass rate is, and you find out your cost of funding. I'm not against them. I just don't want somebody who's brand new that's never gotten a payout to start buying $350 accounts. I'm just kind of looking out for the new guys. Listen, if you're getting payouts, go grab a straight to funded account. It's quick. It'll save you time, and yeah. I think that there's a place for them. I'm not opposed to buying them. I typically don't, because Take Profit Trader doesn't have it. Apex doesn't have it. Like the only person that has it that I trade with is Tradeify. I think Funded Ticks has one now. It's called Zero. My Funded Futures doesn't have one. They're not. Tradeify is the only one that I would really use. But That's just my thought. Like, listen, if you're getting payouts, do it because you could just stack quicker. We swept previous day low again. Um,
No. Save you French toast, 2 pieces. Come down now.
What?
Come down now. We got save you 2 pieces.
All right. I'll be down in a little bit. Are you going in the pool?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be in. I'm gonna go in the pool in 20 minutes. Oh, jeez. I would stick with one firm. I got funded so quickly, took on. Yeah, I like. I'm at a different point. Like I trade with a lot of different firms. I copy trade a lot of accounts. You know, I probably wouldn't go that route if you're brand new. Like get payouts, use your payout money to build your stash of accounts. You know, I wouldn't be brand new buying 10 accounts. You know, been funded 14 times, thought I was a trade guru. That's funny. Design knob, 70-point banger short. That was a great short, man. That was a great short. I like what I'm doing. I like that I'm probably going to start buying more rhythmic accounts to copy trade on Quant Tower. But I'm just watching this. Am I going to take this back up? I may, I don't know. I may do more in, let me bring the chat back up. You're still hanging short? Oh, let me charge this phone before my phone battery runs out. You can do a lot of damage with one. People don't realize that. You don't need a lot of accounts to do. And then some people trade micros, and you can do a lot of damage with micros. You know, Design Knob just got 70 points. I mean, you could do that with 2 micros and make a ton of money. If it was 5 micros is that's $700 you just got. Like, you don't need a lot. I just think too many people see what others are doing and one, believe them because some people are just fucking lying. You know, $700, like, you know, how long would it take you to make that at work? That's what you should look at. Dude, I have a feeling this is going to make a new low here. A new low would be nice. A new low below previous week low and then back up. Sean, if you're here, I am going to look at, like, if you resweep the London lows or Asia lows like we just did and then invert to the downside to take that. Yo, I measure my profits by LUs. It is a Lowe's unit. What I would have made in a day at Lowe's. That's a good way to measure it, Marie. To request a payout by Rise, you need to sign something with each new prop firm? I think so. I think so. They send a contract, I think. I'm not sure though. Maybe yes, maybe no. I forget because I've done all the people I take payouts with. I've done it ages ago. Like it's not something new. Come on. Come on. I'm at about 3 LUs today. That's awesome, Marie. Yo, that's great. It seems like trading's coming along pretty well for you. I feel like you're doing really well. I think the hardest part about trading prop firms is the initial building the accounts up, getting them funded, and then getting the funded accounts up to where you're almost at a payout. Because you would have had to make $3,000 to get it funded, and then you would have had to make another $2,600 to be at that payout rate. So you made $5,600 at that point, right? Once you're at that point and you request money, you only have to make like $2,000 then, and then request money, and then $2,000 request money. Like you're at the point now that only 2,000 to get money instead of the beginning. You have to build up all this fucking bankroll. If you had to build up that same bankroll going forward, you'd have 3 payouts. Ray, the never short trader. I've met some really good female traders. I've said that a lot of times. A lot of times. I've met a lot of female traders that are good. Dude, I'm looking at fucking United Health. Dude, this shit's crazy. Warren Buffett took a position, and same with the guy from The Big Short took a position in United Health. So I'm just looking at it. I'm just looking at some shit that. I wonder where this is at. I'm just looking at some stocks. I am United. I'm green. Oh, you bought United? My brother bought some way low. In the 240s, 250s. Yeah. Holy shit. I didn't even know I was in this. Dude, I didn't even know I was in this. What the fuck? Hold the fuck up. What was that? Dude, I didn't even know I was in that. I came on to go long. I came to go long. I didn't know I was in short. Dude, you know what happened? I can tell you what happened. I went short. Did I leave orders in? Oh, you know what I did? I went short and I probably put sells in to sell the shorts instead of buys, and it added more. Dude, that was crazy. Dude, that's a. I don't know what happened there. I don't even know. That shouldn't have happened. Whatever happened shouldn't have happened. That I can tell you. I opened it up to take a long. I opened it up to take a long. I don't know. I opened it up to see what happens. I'm not exactly sure what the fuck just happened. I don't know what just happened there. I am. I made like 400 and something dollars. But it was by mistake. Obviously, I'm not going to sit here and be like, "Oh yeah, that was by design." I don't exactly know what happened. Obviously, I sold these out, and I thought I was completely out, but I guess I wasn't. And then it added to my position here. I don't know why it would add down there. I don't even know what happened. I have no idea what happened. Yo, it was crazy. I don't know what happened. No idea. But all right, guys, I'm going in the pool. We're going to do this. This is the Twitter giveaway. We're going to do that later today. If you want to join it. We're going to do that today. Take Profit Trader deal ends today. If you want to support the stream, use code CoveTrader below. I'm going in the pool. I'm on vacation right now. So I'll be back at 2:15 today, and we'll do everything. All right. I'm going to enjoy myself for a little bit. All right. My ass is hurting on this seat. And you know what? You know what? Fuck it. Right, guys? There we go. I'm just going to do a random fucking. Do not do this. Do not do this. Do not do this, guys. Just don't. Just don't even fuck. Don't do this at all. All right. I got to risk it for the biscuit. Peace.